Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can make your JPG to a PNG on Canva. So you can like drag and drop an image, or I already have one kind of downloaded here. For instance, I want to make this a PNG image. You can also go to edit photo and remove the background if you want first. But I'm just going to leave it like that. Okay, maybe something like this, and then I want a transparent background. So just select share, select download, and then when you're in file type, don't select JPEG, make sure you select a PNG and also have it transparent background. But this requires you to have Canva Pro, but you're just going to download that, and when you open it, the background will be transparent. So yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!